How to create free tier account Amazon Web Service. Search in Google and click the website and click the create account here. Then provide email and your name. Then click verify. Then go to the email and use verification number, verification code, use and verify, and use password to log in next time. Give a unique password and save it. Just click continue. Then choose for free plan. There is two options, paid and free. Both options you get $200 in credit in your account. I choose free tier and now putting my name, business name, phone number, everything, the US location. As I choose the US location, the religion is, the country name is United States. So everything data I need to put here. Go to the Zillow. I am using a phone number here, so collect the USA phone number from SMS pool. I am using this phone number and use here. Click here. It may be fail. I am using now Zillow. To use the address, go to the Zillow and search here my location MI. So click anyone, click this and copy the location. Copy this location. Use the location here, the zip code is here, and city is, this is city. And I deleted the extra text. Now continue. Now I am using the card data, where my card and location, everything is here. After card location, I am getting the code, automatically send the phone number code. Then I click here. Then everything is setting up. Now everything is done completely, and AWS account has been created as a new. Within some second it will be completely done. Yes, we have done this. Everything is successfully done, and we have got $1 credit in our account. This is our new Amazon Web Service account I have created in live in front of you. I hope you can create any account by using this method. Thank you.